Hello class 8th student, it's a part 16 conservation of biodiversity. As we see how to conserve the wildlife, now we see how we conserve the biodiversity. Our country is blessed with diverse and unique creature, but due to human interference many are on the verge of extinction. Means our country have a blessing, means it is a full of diversity. In our country India, we see lot of animals and lot of plants. They are unique in nature, they are a unique creature. This makes our country beautiful, but due to the human interference many are on the verge of extinction, means they are going to be extinct. So protection of biodiversity is the need of the hour, means it is a need of time that we all protect this biodiversity. The government of India has taken several steps to protect flora and fauna. Means the government of India has taken several steps to protect the plants and animals. As I told you the meaning of flora and fauna, plants and animals. Several protected areas such as biosphere reservoirs, national park and wildlife sanctuary are built to safeguard the original habitat and the wildlife. Means by the efforts of the government, there are some protective areas like biosphere reservoirs, national park and the wildlife sanctuary. They are making to keeping safe these animals. They are in these artificial places, trying to giving the natural home of the animals that they could be live according to their environment. Okay. So the next thing which we discuss here, that is biosphere reservoirs. It is a large area which aim to conserve not only the biodiversity but also other resources and traditional life of the tribal living in that area. Means the aim of these biosphere reservoirs is not only to conserve the biodiversity but also the other resources, other natural resources and their traditional life of the tribal living in that area. Means the persons which are living here, those considered the tribal rare. So tribal living in that area. It was initiated by UNESCO in 1971. It was initiated by the UNESCO in 1971. A biosphere reserve is divided into 3 interlinked zones. There are 3 interlinked zones. It is a figure, you can see it's a zone in a biosphere reservoir. It's a human settlement here, it's a inner core zone and it's a buffer zone and it's a transition zone. Let's read them one by one. First one is the core zone. It is the innermost zone that comprises a strictly prohibited area where no human activity is allowed. Means in this core zone no human activity is allowed. It's a strictly prohibited in the core zone. The second is the buffer zone. It is the middle zone that surrounds the core and it used for activity relating to scientific research, training and education purpose. As you see, this one is the green colored buffer zone and this here it is allowed for the research and the scientific activities or researches, training and for the education purpose. They are allowed it. Okay. And the third one is the transition zone. It is the outermost zone surrounded the buffer zone that is used for non-destructive human activity including agriculture, housing for tribal people and tourism. means in that area we can live, but we can't disrupt anything. We can cultivate it here, we can agriculture, we can crop here, but tourism, matlab the persons who come from the another countries, they can stay here. It is open as a purpose of the tourism, and tribal people can live here. They can make their houses here. You can see this last one zone, which is in the whitish or yellowish in the color. You see this zone. So people are allowed it in this zone, but they can't permit it to destructive it. They can't permit destruct this zone. Okay. So what you get to read in the last one zone, that is the transition zone. Peoples are allowed it for their living and housing, but they can't destruct the environment. Second zone, this is green zone or the buffer zone. Here it is allowed it for the education purpose, for research purpose or training purpose. And the third one is the code zone. It is strictly prohibited for all the activities. No one could allow it here. Humans cannot enter here. So thank you class. We continue in the next video.